we can just use some of the strategies we've come up with already. I'm going to just convert that to sines and coses. That seems pretty easy to do. So we end up with cos squared over sine plus sine x. And I can convert that to 1 over sine x. I've got denominator sign here, denominator sign here. They seem to match. If I get a common one fraction here with a common denominator, the common denominator will match. And this one works out very easily to times up by sine to get sine squared, and that's all over sine x. Okay, and that becomes 1 over sine x, left side equals right side. Okay, this is my right side actually. There it is. Okay, so left side equals right side. And the last one here, let's maybe start with just simplifying this. I think that might be easier just to make that equal to 1. And in fact, this one here, this is actually the conjugate of an identity, which looks like this: secant squared x minus tan squared x equals 1. Well, I kind of want 1 in the denominator because that one has 1. So I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by the conjugate. So I'm going to go secant x minus tan x on top and bottom. Okay, when I do that, oops, I'm going to end up with cosine times secant is 1. Tan times cos, well, the coses cancel out. I end up with sine x. That becomes secant squared x minus tan squared x. Notice that once we get one part to match, the other part tends to just follow along. Okay, so even if you can't quite see it, if we can make one piece work, the other parts often will just follow along. So then there it is. There's my proof. My left side now equals my right side. Done.